Now mount your camera on a tripod using either portrait or landscape. Now record an empty background for like 10 seconds. You get my point? So you walk in and then jump. Now while you are jumping, you drop a stone when you land to show where you are landing. Then you go bring a tire. You know tire now. Bring a tire, then throw it. Make sure it lands where that stone is. When you are done with all these ones, you can now save the video to your gallery. Then head over to Capcut. Now click on new project, import the video you recorded to Capcut, bring it to Capcut. You get my point? Now remember, we recorded an empty background for like 10 seconds. You get my point? So guys, if this is your first time of watching our videos, please hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video, make sure you share this video so it will get to others. You understand? And you know, when once you like a video or you comment, YouTube will distribute that video to more people. So you know we need to grow, so we need to grow. So you get my point. So now we have to split the empty background. We have to split the empty background. So we will come back here towards the beginning of the video, then check on the empty background, check on where the main video will start, then we split it. So tap on the layer here, tap on the main layer here. Now click on split. So now go and look for overlay. Tap on overlay. Now drag it to the beginning of the video. This is how it is, but I don't like it if it starts like this. So the second layer now is what I'm going to split, because I just want it to start at this point. So I will split from here. Tap on it, split on here from here, then delete the beginning of the video. Now drag this one to the beginning of the main video. You get my point? So it will be something like this. Yes, you get my point. So from here where it's landing, you tap on the layer where it's landing here. Now click on split. Click on split. You don't need that one. Now go move the video to where the character is about to throw the tire. From where he's about to throw the tire, or where you throw the tire, then you can split somewhere here. Just split here, then delete this part here, this one here. Now drag this one, tap on this one, drag it, make it a third layer, bring it to the third layer. I believe you understand it. I'm trying to make it, I don't want to be too fast, so you understand it. Now there's something you need to pay attention here, because you need to adjust it well. So now we will have to remove this person that is throwing tire. We don't need the person to be on screen. You get my point? So to achieve that, you will have to tap on this third layer. So tap on this third layer as it is like this. Now let's go and look for mask. Let's go and look for mask. Where is this mask, bro? See mask here. Click on mask. Now go to rectangle. Go to rectangle. Understand? Well, tap on rectangle, bro. See rectangle here. So as you can see, we have to adjust it where it will not reveal the person. Now look at it here. Now see the person here, but we don't want it. You don't want that person to be seen. So we have to adjust this rectangle icon here, the rectangle shape, like what you are seeing on my screen. So this is one of the main things you need to understand, to know here, so you will get it perfectly. I believe you get my point. So now we will still go back there, because look at the way the demarcation here. So we have to play with this arrow here to blend with the color, the background color. Understand? So we have to blend it something like this. So I think this is very perfect for it. So the adjustment right here, this particular point here, is let this third layer be towards the edge, the ending part of the second layer. I don't know if you get my point. Where that person is landing, it should be the beginning of where the tire is falling. You know, we've just removed the first person. I don't know if you understand, if you get my point, but let me know in the comment section. Anyway, you are confused, I will make you understand it. Alright guys, so if you are a complete beginner and you really want to learn how to edit videos using Capcut, guys, my phone number is right in the description of this video, so chat me up on WhatsApp. You get my point. There I'm going to teach you the basic things, the tools, the features, and how they are being used. You get my point. Also, I will show you how to get some green screen effects for free and how to use them. You get my point. But take note, please, it is not free. It is not free. For now, we are on promo. Understand? It's just $5. It's not free. So if you are ready, if you are interested, just chat me up on WhatsApp immediately. You get my point? So after the adjustment, guys, this is what we got. So you can now save your video. You get my point? Oh yeah, now see you in our next video.